In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a progress bar to forms in Wix. If you've been looking to enhance your user's experience by providing clear navigation through your forms, adding a progress bar is a great way to do it. Let's dive right into the process. First, head over to Wix.com using your web browser. Wix is a widely used website building platform, and one of its strengths is how user-friendly it is. Once you're on the site, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials, which will bring you to your Wix dashboard. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open the site editor for the website you wish to modify. From your dashboard, navigate to My Sites. Here, you'll see a list of the websites you've created. Locate the specific site you want to enhance with a progress bar and click Edit Site. This will open the Wix editor. Once you're in the Wix editor, direct your attention to the left-hand toolbar. Click on the design icon, which looks like a paintbrush. Alternatively, you might see an option labeled Site Design Colors. Selecting this will display the current color palette as utilized across your website, providing a cohesive look and feel. With the site colors in view, you have the opportunity to customize them. Click on any color to change it. Wix offers multiple options. Select from a range of preset colors, enter a specific custom hex code, if you have it, or adjust different aspects such as text, backgrounds, buttons, and accents. Remember, these changes will instantly and automatically apply to the entire site, keeping your design consistent. Having tailored the colors to your satisfaction, it's time to apply these changes and ensure they are saved. Click the Apply button. This action confirms your adjustments. Next, click Save to make sure everything is stored correctly. Before finalizing everything, you might want to see how your new colors appear on the live site. Click Preview for a sneak peek. If everything is looking great and ready, proceed by hitting the Publish button to make these changes live for all your users. And there you have it. Adding and customizing a progress bar to your forms in Wix, complete with selecting and altering your site colors. We've gone through the process step by step, ensuring that your website not only looks amazing, but also provides a better user experience. Now go ahead and try it out on your site. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Wix website's potential.